The best way to gain control of the most intelligent, powerful species on the planet would be to tax them in every way possible, but tell them that it's for their own benefit so that they don't think twice about paying it. Take so much of their time and energy throughout the week, but give them 2 days to themselves so that they feel a sense of reward and don't fight back. Promote the consumption of poison in every social setting so that even on those 2 days, they remain disconnected from themselves and each other. Pump their food with excess sugars and addictive chemicals, but make it cheap, advertised, and easily accessible so that they never stop consuming. When their food makes them ill, prescribe them medication that only masks the symptoms so that they become dependent on it every day. Charge them so much money for healthcare so that they stay in a constant loop of consuming, medicating, and working. Cause chaos amongst them and blame it on a group of their own so that they form judgmental stereotypes. Turn them against each other in so many ways so that even if they were to connect on one, they would still be divided by another.
No part 4 la khona sichaza njengoba nimuza umlungu ubechaza iblueprint esebenziswayo to gain control of the most powerful and intelligent species. Ngebhadi ke nangeshwa lawo ma species abakhuluma ngawo abantu, because abantu ibona abana 9 DNA series okusho ukuthi bangama species ahlakaniphe kunawo wonke ama species ku planet Earth, abantu, right? Nansi ke blueprint esebenziswayo sesikuphathi 4 sihlahlela kahle. Uthi lana promo uthi take so much of their time and energy throughout the week. Give them 2 days to themselves so that they feel a sense of reward and don't fight back. Take so much of their energy and time when usebenza Monday to Friday, right? But give them 2 days to themselves. I-weekend leyo ukubone nawe ukuthi maku Friday ujabula kanjani ngobani kusuke kuyi reward kwena ukuthi Saturday and Sunday uzobu off. Yes. Uthi but give them 2 days to themselves so that they feel a sense of reward and don't fight. Ukuthola le reward of 2 days iyona ekwenza ukuthi ukukhululeka so that you don't question the system ukuthi hayibo mina ngasebenza ngaloku ngisebenzile nje mina lo 2 days wona oyi reward kuwena, right? Siqhubeke nayo. Uthi promote the consumption of poison. Nina ke ngolunye ulimi nithi yini? Nithi utshwala. Bona bathi poison. Ake sizwe ukuthi uthini? Uthi promote the consumption of poison. Kuyaphronyothwa. Akwenzeki ukuthi i-view ivula uzicishe ingavelanga i-promotion yawo lo poison abakhuluma ngawo. Uthi promote the consumption of poison in every social setting. Kuvezwa nje kuyi-social setting nje abantu bejabulile kodwa futhi on the other hand kuphronyothwa ini upoison wabo wena uthi utshwala ngolimi lwakho, right? In every social setting so that even on those 2 days, even nangama weekend, even on those 2 days they remain disconnected from themselves and each other. Even if bekunika lo 2 days or reward, but they will be promoting upoison wabo okuwona ozokudisconnecta, you know, okuwona ozokudisconnecta from who you are, yabo. So even if now lo 2 days you won't have time ukuthi ucabange kahle uhlele kahle into zakho ngobani you will be disconnected by the consumption of their poison wena uthi utshwala ke wena, right? Ake siqhubeke nayo. Uthi pump their food with excess sugars. Ukudla kwabo akubo noshukela. Ukudla kweni akubo noshukela, right? Inaddictive chemicals. Uma kuthiwa inaddictive chemicals kusho ukuthi uba addicted kulento. Uba addicted awubusakwazi ukuhlala ngaphandle kwayo. Ukubaboneke kusena abantu behamba beyothenga ama energy drink abasakwazi ukuqala usuku ngaphandle kwama energy drink. Yini? Ingoba anama addictive chemicals. Abanye labo abaphuza poison abasakwazi ukuthi bawuyeke. Nina nithi utshwala ke abusayeke utshwala ngobani khona lento ekuthiwa i-addictive chemical. Addictive chemical iye kubophezelayo ungakwazi kuyiyeka lento leni. Uthi pump their food with excess sugars. in addictive chemicals but easily accessible. Uthi lokudla lokhu kunoshukela okunama-addictive chemicals akutholakale kalula, easily accessible, so that they never stop consuming. Uma sekutholakala kalula lokudla khona ngeke nize niyeke ukudla ukudla okunoshukela okuningi, futhi lokho kudla kuzobe kunama-chemicals enza ukuthi ube addicted. Once wa addicted, lokho kudla lokho kuzoba cheap, kuzoshipha, kuzoba lula ukuthi ukuthenge. Uma usukuthengile lokho kudla lokho kuzo-advertiswa and kutholakale kalula, so that ungeke uyeke ukudla, uzohlezi ukudla ngoba kunoshukela omningi. Right? Ake siqhubeke nayo futhi ukuthi uthini umlungu. Uthi umlungu, when their food, uma-ke lokudla okudlayo, makes them ill, prescribed them medication that only mask the symptoms. Uthi uma lokudla okudlayo kunoshukela okuningi noma lokudla okudlayo kukugulisayo sekukugulisa, ibona abazokunika i-medication ngoba vele besebevele be-ready. Ibona abazokunika i-medication, kodwa leyo medication ayilaphi, iyathothobalisa ukugula okuzobe sekukuwena. Right? That only mask the symptoms so that they become dependent on it every day. Lo muthi abazokunika wona uzokuthothobalisa ukugula okukuwena so that uzothembela kule medication yabo. Ube isigcila se-medication yabo. In that way bona benza imali ngawe nangokugula kwakho. Right? Ake siqhubeke nayo. Uthi umlungu lana, charge them so much money for health care. Uma-ke lokudla okunoshukela obukuthola kalula, obek-advertiswa, obekushibhile, sekugulisa, right? Uma kuwukuthi wena usufuna ukulashwa, i-medication izobiza kakhulu kunakuqala. Ubonile ukuthi ukudla okugulisile ukuthole ngemali eshibhile, bekutholakala kalula ku-advertiswa. Kodwa lokho okulapha akuzotholakala kalula, futhi kuzobiza futhi. Futhi ngeke ku-advertiswe futhi. Uzonikwa lokhu okuthotobalisayo ukugula kuwena ngaphakathi, ukuthi uzoba dependent kuyona leyo medication leyo. Charge them so much money for health care so that they stay in constant loop of consuming, medicating and working. Bathi kumele ukuthi ube isigcila sokuconsumer lokudla lokunoshukela and medicating, uzoba isigcila sokulokhu ubhizi ne-medication nje wena, and working ulokhu usebenza nje wena. Kumele usebenze, uma usebenza uthola lokudla kwabo kunoshukela okushibhile nani nani. Uma usugula uzoba isigcila se-medication. Usho njalo umlungu. Right? Ake siqhubeke nayo siza ukuthi ikuphi okunye okulandelayo akushoyo umlungu. Uthi umlungu, cause chaos amongst them. Uthi cause chaos. There is a system that allows ukuthi kube khona chaos kunina nabantu. Kube khona chaos kunina nabantu. Bese kwenzakala nova kwe chaos. Uthi, and blame it on a group of their own, so they form judgmental stereotypes. Right? Uma sekhona chaos ezweni leni, uma sekhona chaos kunina abantu, leyo chaos leyo izoblema kulabantu laba abafana nanabamnyama kodwa abasebenzela bona. So that you will form a stereotype ukuthi umuntu omnyama ayikho into esila yenzayo, umuntu omnyama akakwazi ukuphatha, umuntu omnyama limhlulile izwe. It's not a mistake. In the end, labantu abamnyama enibashoyo, they are working. Sengicela ukuthi ngithi ba ama-puppets nje kahle kahle, they are working. Yabo, they are the face, but there are people who are pulling the strings behind abangekho omnyama. So that's when you will have a stereotype sokuthi umuntu omnyama akalungile, umuntu omnyama ngakwazi ukuphatha, bese sengena le stereotype kuwe ukuthi umuntu omnyama nje wengadalelwa ukuphatha. Ake siza ukuthi umlungu uthini, uthi cause chaos among them and blame it on a group of their own. Leyo group abakhuluma ngayo lesebenzela bona, a group of their own, so they form judgmental stereotypes. Ukhumbuleke, these guys, they control everything. Right? Ake siqhubeke siza ukuthi okugcina uthini. Uthi turn them against each other in so many ways so that even if they were to connect, they would still be divided by another. To turn them against each other in so many ways, so that even if they were to connect on one, they would still be divided. Ngisho ngathiwa bayazama ukuhlangana, kuthiwa baxabanise. Kunoma kuthiwa bayazama kodwa ngenxa yokuthi bexabane kakhulu kungenzeki. Divide them, turn them against each other. Ngisho ngathiwa bayazama ukuconnecta, they will still be divided by another. Iphela lapho-ke i-blueprint yokuthi kucontrol umuntu omnyama ehlakaniphile futhi e-powerful, kodwa still ayibone econtrolwa ezinye izizwe. Siyabonga kakhulu.